dude next to you. No, that way.
All right, here we go. Ready? One of you guys will be going against Sinlin for the championship. Somebody said this is the most you guys ever wore riding gloves. That's fucked up. Just saying. All right, guys, here we go. On the count of three, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Uh-oh, this is looking one-sided. This is one-sided, it's done. Relax, 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 relax. I went one-sided. Alright. So I'm gonna give you 2 minutes. I know you're used to that shit. 2 minutes and then I go to championship. You're used to that shit. Don't laugh, motherfucker.